Hello, my friend. Actually, sorry for inconvenience. Actually, you are facing lots of problem in your site. Actually, as for my commitment, I am going to make a video for you because you will better understand how to use this site. And your question is how to assign a single post for home page. मतलब means you need to show a post in your home page one time. Okay, am I right? So first I'm going to show you how can you do in your end. Otherwise I can also, I'm just showing in my end, just elaborate the everything, how can edit and all these things. Okay, so I'm just going to start. So first of all, I'm going to focus on your menu. Okay, you have lost around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 category in your blog. So in 14 category, you need to assign 14 post session in your home page. So first my point is I'm going to edit your home page. Maybe this video will be long, so I will send you through YouTube also, because long video I can't put in Fiverr. Okay, so I'm just put this link on YouTube, then I'll show you. Okay, so first I'm going to edit the home page part. And your other question is how to add Amazon product in your blog. Okay, and also you how can you use your Amazon affiliated account, and how to generate commission in this thing. So maybe all this point can't complete in a single video, so I need to make 2-3 video to explain you how to work in this site. You can easily work. Okay, so better I'm just share you my WhatsApp number, so you will directly contact me. Okay, anytime, any moment I will be there for you, help you. So just listen my number, that is 7735345484. This is my WhatsApp number, and before the number you can add +91, because I am from India, so this is the Indian telephonic code. So before you add the number, you just add +91. Okay, let's show you how can you do it. Better if you access me your AnyDesk or TeamViewer, I'll show you exactly. But unfortunately you are not share your detail, so I'm going to show you on my video recording. Actually maybe little up slow in my internet slow. Actually sorry, actually my English is not well, so please adjust. Okay, maybe taking lots of time, so why I'm wasting time, I'm just pause this. Okay, now page will be open. First we need to go here, this section, but you are not on categorize, means you are not assigned some post in proper category. So before you before you add a post in a blog, you need to carefully assign a category. So how can you assign a category? I'm just showing you. First you need to go, when you start a posting, just click here, so add a post. I'm just saying you have not add category. Just see, you have not assigned any category, so you need to assign some category, because without category you can't show any proper product in home pages. Okay, so before you posting any product, you need to show any category. Okay, just modify it and you can add any category. So add a post. I'm going to add a new post. So now your post open. This is your post title. Here is your description. After this, you need to here scroll down here document section. Here you can you will find a section where is your category. Just see, this is your category. So if you are posting a news in politics section, so you need to select this. If you need to post this style section, you need to select this. If you need to post travel section, so you need to select this. If you need to post in real estate, so you need to select real estate. So which category you need to post need to post this session. So you need to first select that category also, because without category you will face lots of problem, because when someone searching that particular category, you have posting lots of posts, but in if you are not choose that right category, so your user will be bounce. Okay, so focus on choose a category. Okay, then I'm just going to choose, then publish, then publish. Okay, then my post will be assigned in your that category. You can see I have assigned that post in that category. Just check, I have assigned this African investment category. Okay, so now I am going to show you in your home page. First we need to assign this session in this. Okay, so when open this, click on category, and here you just need to filter, select your category. So first I am going to select African invest. Okay, so this session for your Amazon, African investment. So only American investment related post will be show here. Okay, so here is no category. So this session I am going to element I am just going to select category like education. So here education related post will be shown. Okay, so now we are going to this section. Okay, in this section we are going to assign related to automobile. Okay, so here is your element. Here your agriculture section, select your agriculture. Agriculture, in your agriculture section you have no post. So I am going to edit this section. Auto mobile. So here is element African investment, so we can change it, we can use it for health, agriculture, equipment, electronics. You can choose any of your category. So I am going to add art, art. This is your art section, so I am going to change it. I am going to here add some equipment. So this is your equipment section. So you need to change it, element, you need to change from for business, it is also for business. You need to add more product, more product, it will help you. This is your advertising section, this is your art section, so we need to change. So we need to here crude oil, CRUDE. So we need to this change crude oil, need to change it art. So here is showing no post, so you need to some changes, filter. So crude oil to some magazine, or okay, I'm just going to add magazine. I have add magazine. So I have add here magazine section, so you need to change this section. Here you need to change relationship, so we need to change it element. relationship. If have take any mistake, so sorry, you can change after my work done. So I just add to this same section in crude oil section. Otherwise you can also add some crude oil. Okay, so this is your real estate section, so you need to change it. So we need to add this for style. You need to change it. Style. Okay, so this is your way. You can change as per your requirement. Anything you can add in your section, but before you posting a post, compulsory you need to select a proper category. Which category this post for which category? So before posting you need to select that category, so that when you post, add a post, so that that post will be shown in your home page. Okay, so thank you for this video. It will be end here, and another video I am going to show you how can you use Amazon Associate and how can you add product in your website through using your Amazon Associate. Already I have sent that video, but I am going to how to use Amazon Associate account.